In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error you don't have any device on Google Play. Fix this Google account. So, for example, you wanted to install WhatsApp application in your laptop using Google Play, and you can't install it because you don't have any devices on Google Play. So, here's what you need to do. So to continue, you must sign in first to your Google account on your device or using your Android phone, and then the error will be fixed. So as you can see here, it says here that the app is available to your device and you can now install the apps. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.